Manual therapy technique for pain and mobility improvement. Hi, I'm Angusami Ramadurai. Manual therapy is a key part of my practice and is an efficient way to relieve pain and improve mobility. Today, I'll show you how manual therapy techniques work and the benefits they offer. Manual therapy is a hands-on treatment that targets the muscles, joints, and soft tissues to reduce pain and improve movement. It includes techniques like joint mobilization, soft tissue massage, and stretching. One of the main goals of manual therapy is to relieve stiffness and restore range of motion. For example, if you have experienced an injury or surgery, the affected area may become stiff and difficult to move. Through manual therapy, I can help restore normal movement patterns, allowing you to move more freely and with less pain. In addition to treating the affected area, manual therapy can also help to improve circulation, reduce inflammation, and promote relaxation. This makes it an excellent treatment for a wide range of conditions, including back pain, neck pain, and joint injuries. If you are dealing with pain or stiffness, manual therapy may be the solution you need. Reach out to schedule an appointment and let's work together to improve your mobility and reduce your pain.